Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Ella Dishes It Out. I'm about to show you guys how to make the world's best potato salad. So what you do is you get your potatoes, you put them in a big pot, leave the skin on. You're gonna boil the potatoes. And then when they're done, you're gonna take them out, pour the hot water out and pour cold water in. That shocks the potatoes. And so the skin just peels off with this potato peeler very easily. So I'm going to show you guys how to do this. Let's get started. We're going to boil our potatoes for about, I don't know, maybe an hour or so. Okay, I've removed the potatoes from the stove. I'm going to run some cold, I poured the hot water off. Now I'm going to run some cold water on the potatoes and let them sit in cold water for a couple of minutes. And then the skin is just going to peel right off. I'm telling you, look, if I just rub it, it'll come right off. And that's the easiest way to peel potatoes. That's the way I've always done it. And I'm telling you, it's the easiest way to do it. So what we're going to add, once I get these potatoes peeled, we're going to add some diced bell peppers, pickle relish, mustard, and mayonnaise. And some eggs, boiled eggs. So that'll be the ingredients for the potato salad. So you guys just hold on and we're gonna get to it. Okay guys, the potatoes are ready to be smashed, cut up and smashed. So I'm just gonna cut them up. I've already peeled them. Get them all cut up like so with this knife, big knife. Just cut straight down through the middle. Okay. And you want your potatoes to be kind of firm. You don't want them to be too soft because then you're just going to have a mushy mess. You're going to have mashed potatoes instead of potato salad. So you want it to be a little bit chunky. Okay. So do that. Making sure I get all the way to the bottom of this pan with my knife. Getting all the potatoes cut all the way through. Okay, so I believe I have them all cut. Now I'm gonna get my masher and I'm gonna try to mash them up a little bit. Stir it and mash it. Stir it and mash it. Take the spoon, pull the ones from the bottom to the top. Now I'm making a lot of potato salad. This is for some guys at a halfway house. So I'm gonna do some meal preps and serve this with the beef brisket and some baked beans. Okay, so that's pretty much mashed up. Pretty good. Now I'm gonna add my bell peppers here. I've already chopped up. This is a secret to good potato salad, is to add your bell peppers, finely chopped bell peppers. Some people like to add onions and all this other stuff to their celery. No, that's not for me. I don't like all that in my potato salad. So, not doing that. Not going there. Next thing we're gonna add is the mayo. Okay, I need a spoon. Put a spoon and quite a bit of mayonnaise in here because I like my potato salad really, really creamy. So just spoon in quite a bit of mayonnaise. Okay, got mayo in there. Now another secret to good potato salad is sweet pickle relish. You want to have lots of relish in your potato salad. So I only have a little bit left in this jar. I'm going to use the rest of it. I only have a little bit left in here. So I'm going to get every little drop out. I'm fresh out of sweet pickle relish, so I will be adding that to my shopping list today because I don't like to be without it. When I get the notion to make potato salad, I always want there to be some in the house. And I've been making a lot of potato salad lately. My family just loves it to death. Okay, so next thing we're going to do is add the mustard. Mustard gives it a beautiful yellow. Okay, I washed and removed the label. Now I'm going to put potato salad in here, this container. So transfer it all to this container. It's heavy, trying to hold it with one hand. Very, very heavy. But the potato salad is good. It's yummy deliciousness. Okay, whenever we have an event, my family always asks me to make the potato salad. We have a family gathering. So that must say something about my potato salad, I guess. All right, so I'm gonna just press it down in here evenly. Only thing I have left to make is cornbread for my greens and baked beans for the brisket and the potato salad. So I'm making two different meals today. A brisket meal, barbecue brisket meal, and Texas style, of course. Then the greens meal, greens and cornbread. Okay, so that's basically it. Now, for the decoration. Rinse my hands off. I'm gonna show you how I usually do, and sometimes it doesn't always come out so great, so bear with me, guys, because it may not come out great. Just depend on how these eggs are cutting. So I just slice through the egg and through the yolk. Sometimes I'll make a decoration like two eyes and a mouth, just different things. I like to have fun with it, but I don't think I'm going to do that today. So cut the ends off, then get to the middle part. That's the part you want to use, the middle. There you go. I think I can get one more out of here. I'll put it right here. Okay, so what I usually do after that is I just press it in to my potato salad. And the last thing I will do is just sprinkle it with some paprika, and you're done. Potato salad is ready. Ta-da! Wonderful looking potato salad. All right, thank you guys for tuning in. Stay tuned for the rest of the meals that I'm cooking. Bye, and bon appetit.